Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino, still my adventures, but this one is especially for you. It's the 1776 Freedom Tour. I don't care where you are. This is going to be the day you declare independence when you come on the 1776 Freedom Tour to Colombia. I will show you how to live on less money and have a much better time and no stress and no cold and no hurricanes and no tornadoes and no flash mobs robbing everything. And we'll do it on a 7-day, 6-night adventure tour starting at the Bucaramanga airport. This will show you how it is to live in rural Colombia. It's pretty much a 7-day rolling seminar. Get all your questions answered. We're going to talk about money. We're going to talk about land. We're going to talk about apartments. We're going to talk about houses. We're going to talk about visas. We're going to talk about police. We're going to talk about politics. We're going to talk about women. We're going to talk about men. We're going to talk about anything that you can think about on why or why not you would want to move to a place. I will show you how to live a wonderful, wonderful life on less than $1,000 a month. I do it. So I'm going to show you a testimonial here, Maria and Anthony, and be sure and stay to the end because that's where my contact information is, and you could call me. This is a free call. You can call me for half an hour. I'll tell you all about the tour, all about the cost, all about it, the whole thing. All you have to do is get to the Bucaramanga airport, and I could help you do that also. So, first question is, why'd you choose me?
I liked you a lot because I felt like you brought me some value.
Excellent.
I felt like you got to the point on your videos, and I could tell that you actually knew the area, that you've lived in the area for a few years, and that means something to me.
How's it been since you got here? Did I deliver?
Gino delivered. Gino was prompt. He was on time, picked us up at the airport, took us to places, and we didn't have to worry about a lot of things that we would have had to worry about otherwise.
Excellent.
He did what I would call, he prevented the 5 Ps.
What are the 5 Ps?
Prior planning prevents piss poor performance. Now, he can't control if someone else shows up on time, but he had a plan. So we had a sense of direction every single day.
How were the accommodations?
Loved them. This was a perfect place for us.
Excellent.
We're nice.
Well, thank you very much. And I hope you guys come back. Hope to
We
get
will.
to see you. So obviously, I didn't do too bad. So that's the whole thing. And all you have to do, this is real easy. If you're interested in the 1776 tour, what you need to do is call me, 505-501-8889, and I will give you all the details. And I will send you an itinerary. And I will tell you about the cost. And it's much less than going to Panama. And what you get here that I don't think you get in Panama, and it might, I don't know, I haven't been on that tour. It's probably a wonderful tour, but you get me. It's not so much about the hotels, it's not so much about the transport, it's not so much about anything else. It's about my years of experience in the area. What I know about the towns, what I know about the customs, what I know about visas, what I know about banks, what I know about the mud, the blood, and the beer. That's what you get. And you will get it nowhere else on this planet because I only live in one place and I love it here. And so, with that being said, this is the first day of the rest of your life. If nothing changes, nothing changes. So call me, 505-501-8889. 8889. And I will tell you all about the 1776 Freedom Tour. And if you need a WhatsApp number, it's +57 322 244 7841. So God bless, and we will see you on the flip side, and maybe at the Bucaramanga airport. That's up to you. And remember, there's limited seating, limited seating, limited, very limited. God bless.